Okay guys, let's update you on the Pro Trading System color method with the latest trading results for currency pairs, and also we've got some US stocks in here as well. There's so many US stocks, we can't possibly get through them all, okay? It's just still loading the results down here. But in the FX market, the euro dollar had a green buy signal. It's up 204 pips. Pound US dollar up 137. You can see, let me just go through exactly what I'm looking at here. These are the FX pairs in this column. This here is whether it's a long trade or a short trade. This column here is the P&L in pips, okay? So if the euro dollar is up 204 pips, you multiply that by your position size, whether you're doing it on a funded account, a spread betting account, or whatever account you're doing this in. You multiply the 200 pips profit by your position size. So £10 a point in the spread betting account, you'd be in profit £2,000, okay? And this one would be £1,370, and you'd be losing. The red here is the losing one, okay? So if it's red, it's losing that amount of pips at the moment, and if it's green, it's making that amount of pips at the moment. Of course, for example, this pound New Zealand here, if you wanted a stop that was 25 points away, you wouldn't let it get to 55 points loss, but you would certainly let the profits run. So this pound yen is up 305 pips. You can see it changing here in real time. So what you'd want to do is you would make sure the system would do this for you, put the right stop in place anyway. But if you have like a 50-point stop on this pound yen, okay, that's the maximum you can lose on the trade. And you want to run the profits, don't you? Because that is the profile for any successful trading account that grows. You want to make sure the profits run much greater than the losses. All right, so that's what the Pro Trading System and the color method does for you. So the yen pairs are the stars again. You see a lot of yen here. See the dollar yen. I'm looking for a big move in the dollar yen, guys. Starting to get the red sell signal, okay? And we're not green yet. We're not green in the P&L, but it will be, because I think this will be a blue whale trade. What I mean by that, I think this will be a big, big trade that could go 300-400 points. So keep you updated on that. But if you want to get in this yen, come and join us, because I think there's going to be a great opportunity. The euro yens have done really well, like they always do. Well, all the markets do with the color method. It's just great. Okay. So yeah, it's been great. So dollar yen starting to change over, roll over, maybe turn red now. We're getting a short signal with that on the swing trading. And this New Zealand CAD, okay, I'm watching this because I think this is going to go on a big move as well. We're sort of flat at the moment, but we have got long signals, all right? So it's pretty much going nowhere, but I'm looking for a big move on that as well. So some really nice profits, you know, small losers, not many of them, and big winners again, even on the pound, euro, dollar against the US dollar. This Aussie dollar's been great as well, 196 points profit just a couple of weeks. Been really good, guys. Dollar CAD, that's a good one as well. That's been short, 166 pips profit. Really nice as well. Don't really trade the euro Swissy, euro sterling, euro versus the Great British pound. I'll get that right now. It's just not a big mover for me. You can up your position size, but it just doesn't move that much. Pretty much like a, you know, it's just a sideways range-bound sort of market. Okay, so I tend to avoid that. And if you come up over here in the FX, in the stock market, US stocks here, you know, you've got some lots of greens, lots of long trends, lots of green on this side. $84 move, AVGO. Wow, incredible. And Dash, big winners, $24 move. Multiply that by your position size, remember, guys. All right, so some real big ones in Google. We've had kickback rallies in the stock markets. So these have been great. It's still uploading the data and the results here. Okay, so it's a big old program, this, guys, but it tracks our Pro Trading System, tracks our results, and there's so many different features inside the Pro Trading System, all sorts of stuff in there that will help you do really well. But the basic behind it is still barn green, sell on red, keeping it really simple. And that's the profile of a successful trader. Big winners, very small losers. And that's when I started out. I couldn't stay in trades long enough because I'll get faked out of a trade. And what the system does, the colors stay green to keep you long the market. So you stay in those trades for much longer. It's so much less stressful because you're in these trades and the account grows dramatically. But if you get out of the trades really early because you get faked out of the move on any down day, then you will always be having small winners and small losers. It's not going to work. You need big winning trades, okay? So that's where the Pro Trading System comes in. Here's the trading results. If you want to get into the Pro Trading System or the Pro Trader course, you get the Pro Trading System, you get the Storyteller Indicator and Trend Predictor at the moment. So that's a nice little bonus for you guys. So dive into the system. Get the coaching. We do live trading, we do the coaching, we do the swing trades, which are great on Monday evenings, all recorded webinars and live webinars on Monday night. They get recorded for you so you can watch them and come live trade with us as well during the morning session. Okay, hope helps, guys. Don't forget to request a call back.